Hidden Gems of Vietnam, the ultimate travel guide. Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime. Imagine sailing through mystical landscapes, walking enchanted streets, and losing yourself in nature's grandeur. Get ready to unlock Vietnam's best-kept secrets, where every scene is a new story waiting to be told. Start your journey in the stunning Ha Long Bay. With its emerald waters and limestone pillars, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a natural wonder. Did you know it's home to over 1,600 islands and islets? Cruise through hidden caves and discover secluded beaches perfect for a quiet escape. Next, we wander into Hội An. This ancient town comes alive at night with its iconic lantern-lit streets. Every corner tells tales of the past. A fun fact, Hội An was a vital trading port in the 15th century. Don't forget to try the delicious chow lau, a noodle dish unique to this region. Venture to Sapa, home to breathtaking rice terraces that cascade down mountainsides. These fields are an agricultural masterpiece. Early risers catch the best views as mist lifts to reveal terraced valleys. Tip: visit during harvest season for a golden spectacle, and savor the local specialty, Tang Co, a traditional Hmong dish. When visiting these gems, keep your journey smooth with practical tips. Carry cash as rural areas often lack ATMs. Engage with local guides for insider experiences. Delight in must-try foods like fresh spring rolls and pho. Each dish reflects Vietnam's rich cultural tapestry and diverse flavors. You've glimpsed the unforgettable beauty and charm of Vietnam's hidden treasures. It's time to pack your bags and set off on your own epic journey. Capture breathtaking photos and taste adventure in every bite and destination. Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and guides to fuel your wanderlust. Embark on this captivating journey and discover Vietnam like never before.